Oh, so guys, my daughter recorded the first one, but anyway, it's not finished. But here's the top coat, top coat on the frame. I mean, to be honest, there's a few mistakes, but it's just the frame. So, but we did manage to sand it down and to get to our best. Right down to what we can and what we can afford. Now, there's a few other things like the red still in there, so I'll get in there with the black. And what I'm talking about is like little cracks like there. No, I didn't bog it or anything. We've just sanded it down, primed, and then re-sanded down with 400. And yeah. And yeah, this is what it's looking at the moment. This is the result. So I like it. I mean, if I'm happy with it. That's all good. We got the stands still to do, and then tomorrow I'll probably turn it upside down and tie it underneath. Yeah, but I gotta go and buy one more can. Jeez, bummer. The thing is, I'm quite low on cash. Yeah. So, man. Never mind. But we're working on this project. When I get it going, and then chuck the motor on it. It's a 150cc Honda Dalium. Can go for his little motor. Can boogie too. Yeah, but we'll see. I mean, it's not all that, but it will do. To give it that look, that show. So black is the frame, covers are the yellow. Maybe we might have a few chromes on there, and that's about it. And yeah, put all the wiring back, and have it running again. Okay, so we're gonna let it dry now. Okay. Hey, mate, Ezra, Ezra. Wow, catching up. Bring the other ones. Hey, leave that one. Leave that one there, it's fine. Just bring the other ones in there. So we're putting all the mowers back in now. I did put some water down on the floor so that way dust will stay down. Yeah. But the way it's looking, there's no dust. Slowly. Careful now. Okay, bring it on.
I'd have this.
Yeah.
61.
Wow. 61 subscribers. Good girl. Sap is winning. But Benjamin's winning. Sap, then out of 10. Any more mowers? Okay, put the catches in.
He called it Daddy Mana.
Put the catches in. Come on. Benjamin and a mate. Ezra, mate.
You need this for Dad?
Put the catches in. Put it on the floor.
Daddy.
Watch out for the frame. It's a wet paint.
You understand, Dad?
Yeah, but not Daddy.
Yeah, put it right there.
Dad.
Put it right there.
How you buy your car?
Move out of the way.
How you buy?
Oi, put it right here. Yes. Now stand that one up. Got top up. Yeah. Come out.
No, I haven't done yet.
No. Gotta get another can.
You take your car
One more
I'll
can.
lie to you.
Not I. I didn't say Dad.
Bucket. One more the bucket. You, wheelbarrow. Take the wheelbarrow back. Come on in. Sandpaper did that, you know.
Yep.
Go tip that over there. Yep. Tip over there, way. Over there. On that orange tree.
Big.
That's why you on my couch.
You take the connection off of the hose. Tap it. Tap it all. Yeah.
But why when people are not scared?
Take the connection off. Now I want you to bring the white one out
What's up, Pete?
and put him underneath, and then you go check the trap. Put him underneath here. He's cockering and stuff, but he's beating them both up.
I'm peeing on the black one.
Yeah. See? He's the boss over there.
Dad, how you take your couch down? I go back to you.
Can he get lost? Yeah, take the sandpaper and put it over there with the others.
Out there.
In the ice cream bowl.
Stop giving to him.
Benjamin and a mate. Ezra and a mate.
I can't pull it. Yeah, I love the penny.
Ano yung tirare? Take that more now. Pull it up and put it in the freezer and bring another ice one out. And a mate.
Okay,
Yeah, put the hose down.
I'm gonna go.
Move that poppin'. Pass it to me. Now bring him out. But you need me or not? Nah.
Nah.
Yeah, bring the white one out.
I won't ask him stuff.
And my Ezra. Yeah, I went to 1 year. I saw you. That's what you do. You just sitting down, relaxing. Meeting. Oh, okay. Was it any good? Oh. I was gonna come straight down when I saw the pick truck back. Yeah, never mind, turn. Yeah, I'll see you. All right, bye-bye.